Alright, Pepper, let's get some running around here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I'm just gonna go over here, pretend like I'm not doing anything. Oh, we got some action here. Come on. Go. Let's go. Come on.
Table.
Oh, that was a good pink.
Come here.
Here, you chase him around. I'm gonna try to film it.
I hate you.
Me or the bunny?
The bunny.
Okay, maybe you film it. I'll chase him. You're such a whore. Come on, come on. Come on.
He's very aware of the camera.
Come on.
And of me almost stepping on him. Worst video ever.
No.
Wait, second worst video
So at
ever.
least this one we had him running around and then, we have him binking. The other one he just didn't do anything. Pepper, come on. Go. Go on, you were doing it like forever.
Oh, I so didn't even get that.
Damn it.
I'm filming my
Tell
clothes.
you, the food warmed down.
Filming the rabbit eating stuff off the carpet.
This is why we need a vacuum.
Can you do something, Bunny?
I know. Please.
Oh, I caught your butt.
Oh, thanks, Jen. The worst freaking filming ever.
You try to move the camera that fast. You bitch.
Bunny. Go. I'm closing your cage. Now what are
What you gonna do now, rabbit?
Now what are you gonna do, Bunny?
Not move.
You keep him in the cage all day, and you think the time that he gets out, he would take that opportunity to run around the living room.
It's because the camera's out, I swear.
You bite me again, I will step on you. Oh, did you get that one?
I think so. He moves so fast. This film is just gonna be a series of blurs because he moves too fast. Ah, rabbit, you can't get me back in your cage now.
And he's like, I don't appreciate you. Smacking me to the tail.
Longest and most pointless video ever.
God.
Oh god.
Oh, here we go. I'll just tip this over in my scale. Is that a better one?
And now he's hiding.